to the backside and see if I can shoot one of them.
Ow! You know what would make this even more scary with the cannibals? You remember that the second Ice Age movie where the vulture starts singing "Glorious Food"?
That would've been
Could you
funny,
imagine
actually.
if the cannibals started singing that?
Probably their own language.
We are.
We're anxious to try it.
They're just like following us lightly.
Oh, no. They're already over there on the hill.
We see
Yeah.
them.
Yeah, I mean, if you're in the water, it's fine.
And luckily, the water's not too cold, so we don't freeze.
Yeah.
Too bad.
Are you gonna drown yourself?
Wait. Walking across that like nothing.
It's Jesus.
Well, he is. They're splitting up, is what's happening. And now I don't know what is happening.
Oh, I think one of them just drowned. Never mind.
Oh. One of them is running in the water.
Hey, he's stuck.
It's not him I'm worried about.
Not particularly.
Stop staring at me.
Oh, hi there!
Just keep swimming, I guess.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. Rawr! To you too.
Hello. Hi, how are you? How's the wife? Got any kids? Now you're on fire. That seems like a problem.
That's what they get!
Now you're on fire. That looks like a problem.
Also, that was a good aim I did.
It's me. Oh, hey. No.
Nika, come back here. Nika, we have a serious lack of problems. Not lack of problems. We have too many problems.
I'm on this side now, so... just go. Just run.
I just don't need it. I don't want it. I don't need it. Well, you're braver than we are.
I love how Will's just
Also,
like
I had
casually
an
like
archer.
running behind us.
I had an archer, actually, so I killed one of them.
Too many cannibals.
Many cannibals. Surprisingly, there's still a lot of cannibals out here. You think that we killed them all, but
Nope.
that's the case.
Give me this! Oh, they're about to get you. Watch your back.
Oh!
The hole. We found the cave hole. It's not really that far away, so that's kind of cool.
Are you still alive?
I am, yes.
We're about to have friends, Nick.
I don't want friends.
Nick, you love friends.
Guys, there's
But
so many the cowboys over here.
Yeah, well, I got one.
I don't want friends. These friends don't seem friendly, actually. These friends can leave me alone. If they were friends, they'd leave me alone.
I think they have manners like that, Nick.
No. They're like, hey, come to dinner, and you're the meal.
Listen, lady, I am slashing you in a really sensitive part. You should absolutely. Thank you. Good.
Mind you.
Heavens. Thanks, Nick. Very helpful, Nick.
Help her out.
Right there.
Shush, Nicholas.
What?
You're not helping.
You're doing a good job by yourself.
You know what? Look this.
I love that.
Motherfucker!
That was such a horror movie trope. You pull out the chainsaw and you start running after the lady.
Come here, motherfucker! Where are
I
you?
would like
Come
to see
on!
your point of view, Nick.
Ah!
She just pulls out the chainsaw and she runs after the thing, and the thing turns and runs. It was like perfect horror movie.
We're like one of those comedic like comedy horror movies that just happens.
There's one up in a tree.
Well, it could stay there.
Come
Yeah.
here. I'll get him down.
You cut the tree down.
I mean, that could work.
Come here, motherfucker! Get down! You're wasting my gas. Get the fuck down.
Oh, Burb.
How many bodies we got?
Take this one. This tree won't die.
It's getting dark. Do you guys want just have camp here?
Yeah.
We can.
God, I just hear the chainsaw growing louder.
Wait, please.
No.
Why not?
I feel safer with my toy out.
I see another camel. Over
I
there.
know! He was
Where?
free hop and he's over there.
Oh, I
He's
see.
the albino one. You keep walking. Anyway. Why are you guys laughing at me?
Oh, Nick, can you explain?
No, I turn and you're like, screw this. You pull out your whoa, hey, careful with that. Wait a minute, hey.
What's the matter, guys?
Stop!
What's the matter?
No, thank you. I don't want any of that.
Hey, don't! I'm trying to craft. Get Nick.
You can sleep.
Okay.
Don't you fucking
yeah,
dare,
well.
actually.
Well, come on, come sleep.
Hang on. Want to eat also. Hang on. I can't carry
yeah.
more bones.
Take it.
You guys have oh wait, I have sodas. Never mind.
Oh my god, I'm crying. That was so funny.
Well,
I thought that was one of the cannibals.
No, just Nick.
If you guys are hungry, you're welcome to eat one of this meat.
I already
Locked
ate.
off all the blood, so.
Oh my freaking word.
You guys are funny when I have a weapon. Now that we're good, we'll come very slowly. See the
How are we supposed to get
arts.
down?
Through the caves, my guy.
I do not like that.
What?
They're just the view down that pit.
Yeah, there's usually some mutants.
There's a stick. Yeah, I'm gonna try to make some arrows before we go down.
We're not gonna go down just yet. That's endgame stuff.
Isn't there a kid down there?
Maybe.
Oh.
Nick, the left. I saw a guy just run past you.
And guys, I'm coming.
I don't see anybody. Are you sure?
Oh, I need sticks, damn it!
I got one.
I need two. Oh, I got one. Yeah, I got two. Okay. Select a different one.
Oh, I heard
Come
it.
here, you! I need to get my chainsaw out.
Oh, what's with the green flag?
That's the one we haven't gone down yet. I was just
Okay.
marking it. And then I had a friend to go visit. Here you go, Nick. I have a friend.
Why'd you lay her down with her ass to me?
His ass.
His?
Yeah, it's a guy.
Yeah, that's Mel.
No. There's some tents over this way. I found another
There's some stuff
one.
on now. Free?
I guess I could have slept over here. At all these tents.
Yeah.
These guys were freaking brave to sleep next to the cannibals.
You act like you weren't with us.
No cloth, sadly.
Those.
What is that?
There?
What?
More stuff. Search.
Looks like a building.
It's kind of a building. It's kind of like a storage tent.
Oh.
Them. You'll see it when you get closer, Will.
I want to go out that way.
There we are.
Alright.
Alright, I just had to heal up a little bit because I got ouched during the night. I wait for Will.
Sorry, hang on.
No worries.
On my father's wings.
Raining again.
And I will
Sure, never
fly
landed.
on my father. And I will fly on my father's wings. Places I have never been. There is so much I've never seen. And I can feel his heartbeat still. I will do great things.
Guys, I got company!
Oh my father. I don't see anybody. What are you
I
moving
don't see
from?
anybody.
They're right behind me!
We don't see anybody.
There's one right on that freaking hill!
Really?
See, he's coming!
Oh, now I
Oh,
see somebody.
Yeah.
He just
Yeah,
popped
he
into.
like-
Really?
He just popped
popped
into
in for us.
existence.
Yeah, he's just walking away now. He's walking away like he didn't see you at all.
Get a word.
And I
Anyway.
will fly on my father's wings.
We're gonna go
Places
over this
I
way,
have
guys.
never been. There is so much I've never seen.
Animal!
Oh, hey.
Hey
And
now.
I can feel his heartbeat still. I can do great things.
Will you stop clipping through the rock?
He is too.
Wow, Jesus. Ow. Come here, Smeagol. Ow.
That can't be great that the sharks are dying.
Nope.
Ooh, I think I have. I do. I have dynamite. Guys, back the hell up.
Backing up.
Too far.
Oh,
Some of that
whoa.
worked anyways.
Huh?
Ooh!
Is that a whale?
It's a gun part. 5
Oh.
of 8.
Hey, where
Now
is
it
it?
just looks like a well.
What?
You can fall into that real easily.
Yeah, that's why I screamed. I got a little scared.
This is nice.
How's it look in the inside?
Weird. Like a weird barn.
See, whoever built these are just like, I'm sick of laying down on the ground. I'm gonna build a nice building for my group.
Jump!
What?
Nothing. Fine.
Are you sure it was?
At the end of that one.
Can we get lobsters? There's a lot of lobster traps right here.
Right? I wish. Or like just reusing the pieces that are here. Wow, Nick, you're just plowing ahead, aren't you?
A little bit.
Little. You first.
Trying to get up there. Oh, found a bit. Oh, moving the table.
I'm covered in paint. Paint. Oh.
Oh, I thought that was something.
All right.
What?
They don't have any cloth to actually make armor.
You would think that they'd have something in one of these.
Right.
There's a couple that do.
If anyone wants a motherboard.
What motherboard?
The computers.
Oh.
Oh.
Gray bottle. Why are you gyrating? Why are you gyrating?
Yeah,
Why is this
hairspray.
table... Yeah, this table is having a conniption fit. I don't know why that was doing the way that it was doing, but it was. Hey, there's suitcases over here. I need medicine. I need medicine. Real
You want me
bad.
to give you one?
I got one. Oh, thank God.
Oh, medicine. Thank God.
The only thing that was in this one was rope for me. That was it.
Money.
Money, 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 money. Oh. We're really close to the mountain now.
Huh?
Oh, can't eat it. Oh, dang it. Cause I'm gonna make a fire pit. I need to eat bad.
Boar! Come here!
I found a boar?
A boar.
Yep! 2 of them! Come here! Got one!
Ah, come here, boar. Ow.
I'm glad you guys got one. Oh, this is another explosive, so you guys might want to back the fuck up again.
That's what I thought it was.
I thought it had like some dynamite I could use. Hang on. Yeah. It's because the underdog. Yes. Wow.
After this, can you make a fire pit? I'm hungry.
I'm gonna set out freaking next week. I should. Fine. I want to watch you play it. Did you get it?
Oh, I was waiting for you.
All right. Sorry, it was disturbing me because he wants to play my headset real bad. Also, you hit Nick.
His ears might ring though.
What's going on? There's
Don't
food over
worry
here.
about it.
Don't worry about
worry
it.
about it. Nick, come this way. Okay, we got a couple pieces of an old gun. Oh, there's some food on the fire over there if you need it.
Yeah, I'll take some.
Wow, Julie, it's cold.
Yeah, you're in the snowy part, and I'm not yet. There's a reason for that. Also, you're wearing a t-shirt, so that probably doesn't help. You do have extra clothes.
Are you?
Yeah, in your inventory, if you, it is on the right side at the very bottom next to your health bar. You should have different clothing if you've collected those.
Nope.
Well, I guess you're in that outfit then. Wonder why you're gonna be freezing up here. Anyway, this is the,
Keys
Snowy
a
Mountain.
torch.
Yeah,
to warm
I
up a
can't.
little
I
bit.
can't be up here.
Keys a torch.
it'll help a little bit, but
Burn nothing.
yeah.
Stick near me.
I don't think
Before we
that'll
go
work.
Try. Fine, you Joy.
Okay.
Does it help?
Oh, what's this? Oh, I'm in mud now.
Yep.
Are you still warm?
Somewhat.
Yeah, at least you are.
Oh no, I'm freezing.
Never mind.
I'll have to get you a warm suit for this.
Yeah.
If you haven't picked up the clothing, that's why there is clothing to help you with
I
this.
haven't found any clothing.
Yeah, it's in a specific suitcase. It's in a brown suitcase, and you have to hit E and hold it to get it.
Rosie, I'm fine with this. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Because you
I'm
have a
not-
long sleeve shirt. I don't.
Yeah, he has a sort of.
On my
yeah,
point of view, it doesn't look like it.
Yeah, it doesn't usually. Hey, mushrooms.
Ooh.
What they did, but I ate them anyway. If I start acting funny, it's the shrooms.
Hey, you want to. Nick,
Yeah,
you're in charge to make sure we're not go crazy.
Yeah. Oh, I found some more mushrooms. Ow, the bad mushrooms.
Oh, she's high now. That didn't take long. Addiction works fast.
Not fast, usually. Gotta get down before I get back up again.
So which one was the bad one?
The red one.
Jack mushroom?
Oh, this is kind of cute.
Nick, I am right by a great... Oh, come here, Nick. You can get clothing.
Excuse
I
me,
don't know what
boy.
it's gonna be.
Oh, another village.
Yeah, it's an empty village, but I want Nick to see which suitcase I'm talking about.
Oh, you do that? I'm gonna go open other cases.
Okay, suitcase here has clothes in it. You have to hold E to get it.
Nice.
I already have it, so it didn't let me have it anymore. Oh, aloe. Yes, aloe. Aloe! Give me all the aloe. More aloe. Is there more aloe?
Oh, hairspray.
More!
Where's the boar?
More!
Where's it? Damn!
Can I?
No, mine. I call it. I killed it. I can have more spears. I'm also sorry, Joey. I just like killing boars.
You are now no
like
longer allowed to sit on her chair.
I just didn't say anything at all.
So would that mean I'm still a case in your chair?
Oh
know,
shit!
Well, the next boar, if I see one, I'll let you have it.
Oh, good. I got medicine. I needed that.
I'm gonna try to make my way back to home.
Why?
I'm getting tired.
Why do you want to go back? Well, freaking wait. 3.
I could have used
Got
all of
3.
it on him. Yes, more rags. Got any more rope or aloe? I got a bunch of aloe grows all over here, man. Getting so much aloe. Ooh, I got 3 aloe seeds too. Awesome.
I got a ton of spears. Really? That's dumb. I can't make any freaking bunch of the freaking bone spears.
Oh, you can only have 1.
That's stupid.
I don't know what to tell you.
Alright, so now what?
I got a bunch of aloe, and I did get some rag, cloth, whatever. No, I'm kind of surprised there's not like frogs in this island.
No. So we're going back, or?
Well, I'm just kind of collecting things as I go. I don't know where he is, so.
Say he was going back on. Why did I eat that? No, stop! Nick was going back to the
Are you
base.
okay? Oh, hey.
I guess my seed bag was full.
Okay. Okay.
You good?
No.
What's happening?
I got bitches.
Oh,
He's got bitches. Okay, cool.
the ones that you didn't wanted.
Yeah, the ones you don't want. We'll take the bitches for you.
Come get them.
And
They're all right here.
Oh wait.
One just ran up a tree? I just hear the chase out going. I like your style.
Ran out of gas.
We got him. Time for bones.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but I might need one of your foods.
Which one you talking about?
Know which one he's talking about.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry again, and I'm dying.
Hang on, I got
Bye.
some raw meat.
Okay.
You might want to build a different fire so you don't accidentally eat the wrong thing unless you want to eat the wrong thing. And
Just eat it.
Extra fiber. It's fine.
Don't worry about
Sure.
it. Yeah.
Sure, fiber. That's what we're going to talk about. The 13 bodies that I'm burning at the same time as you guys cooking food. Is that it? All of
Oh,
them?
there is one more right here.
Oh, I was missing one.
So many bones.
Ow! What?
Oh, in the water.
I went to grab the piece of meat and it didn't let me.
Yeah, you got real close to the flames. At least on my screen. I'm covered in blood again.
I'm clean. I don't know what you're talking about.
Because I used the chainsaw and it got real bloody real quick. You know.
Really? That didn't feed me? Are you serious?
I think what you ate was a small meat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got some
No,
more if you need
still
it.
not. I need more because there's.
You always sound like a cannibal, so that's a good option to eat. I guess the
I am
regular
half
meat
full.
ain't good enough. All right, try that one.
Got
There you
meat,
go.
I got fish, I got everything.
Oh,
You're welcome.
well, now I have to stay here for the night.
guys, we got incoming. Hello. Hello,
What?
hi there.
Can we just go in the water?
Yeah, if you want.
Of course.
Hmm?
How do I refuel it?
I have to go in the inventory and then select it.
There. Now Will won't get censored.
How do they not freeze? I don't understand.
Especially her.
Well, also, technically, they've been out the wild the longest, so they're probably more used to it than we are.
Yeah. This is their home. We're the invaders, technically.
And also, I think I did, since the video is info for a mature audience only, so it is going to be, like, probably rated 18 plus.
Oh, yeah. Right, bone armor. Alright.
Or we go to the ones that has the little camps or tents.
Yeah.
It'll be daytime by the time we get there.
I see a person.
Ew. Nothing.
I'm ready for sleep. Never mind.
Never mind, daytime. So, guys, how'd you like our whole adventure?
That was fun.
Interesting.
Oh, hello, fire burning man.
Fire burning man.
Fire burning man. Run
Better,
away,
it's better
fire
than
burning
suction
man.
cup man.
Are you talking about like the massage cup things? That,
No,
like, stick-
no.
No, the actual. So she doesn't know that little MH series.
No, she doesn't.
Don't
Do you
know.
know
To
it's
be,
a
to be
little-
fair, to be fair, I only know it because of Richie.
I'm suction cup man. Look at me go! Can't kill me. I'm suction cup man. I'm there. That sucked.
Well, you got a chuckle out of both of us, so.
Yeah.
Rawr to you two.
Behind us.
That's good.
They're there. I'm not.
But they wanted to come to us.
I don't know. Maybe they're just curious and don't know how to express that.
Yeah, then all of a sudden the curiosity wants to kill.
Yeah. Oh yeah, all the logs that I tried to take because of that one guy that was up in a tree.
Didn't he like get away too?
Yeah, he
Yeah.
did. He kept tree hopping.
Why isn't the sun warming me up?
Oh,
You're in the
I'm
water.
I'm not in the
yeah,
water.
because well, we're just from the rain.
Rainwater, you know, rainwater.
Well, now we're gonna have to go into the water. Hey, lizard. What are you doing right there?
At least it's not crocodiles yet.
That's in the next one, right?
Sons of, is it
But
the
Crocodiles and
Sons of the Forest?
sharks.
crocodiles are in this game, yes. Or alligators. I can't remember which one, but yeah.